Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today will be another unboxing. It's gonna be full week of the unboxings to open it with you. So I hope that you will like it. I didn't know what to wear today. It is like I've got so much choice. It is like too much and I'm not complaining. I have I can make 100 outfits a day. And it is so hard to decide about one. So this is what I wore today. I got my blouse from Zara in the creamy color with the bow. And I've got the waistcoat from Zara too, which is really beautiful. You can see it is like the navy color with the very Chanel style, so that's why I've got also my brush from the Chanel. I've got my leggings with the buttons, with the gold buttons, and I've got my navy boots, which you will see on the side, the navy boots. I am so scared to take them off, and I think that I will change them for any Casa Day, maybe in the brown color, just to match the gloves, just because these boots with any light color leave a mark because they are suede navy inside, and it is always leave a mark inside. So just I have to check if my favorite leggings will be dirty and navy or not. I've got my Casa Day boots in the beautiful blue color, and I think that they will look with this outfit really nice and soft, but I love to wear these boots with the jeans, and I think that just to make a nice contrast with the whole outfit, I would like to wear a brown boots. Just this brown color with the navy looks incredible, and I hope you will like it. For that thing I've got inside, I think I create too elegant outfit, but let me show you. Let's unbox this parcel. A beautiful yellow box. Mytheresa, my favorite shop. I love to shop in Mytheresa. They've got so many things that I love. So many expensive things, but I'm working really hard for everything. I've got 2 jobs. I've got my own business and I've got a full-time job, and I'm working 7 days a week. I don't have holidays, and this is really like work all the time for many years. Even I hadn't had my own business, I work in Tesco over every Saturday and Sunday to, for example, buy a new car, to, for example, just go to Zara and buy everything what I want. I always work really hard. Some people just working from 9 to 5 and they done 5 days a week, this is it. 40 hours a week, this is it. No more. And I'm always doing something extra. This is how I can afford, for example, my parcel today. I really love the box inside. It is like a shame to throw it out. But I don't really like this, what Mytheresa done with the boxes. I really like much more the magnet. So, I don't know if you know what I've got inside. I am so scared because after I bought it, I regret I bought it because I found something better. So now will be time to decide if I want to keep it or not, because I think I like it. It is the Jacquemus. That's not everyone like it, but I like it. I love the top handle bags. This is not super luxury bag. It is just designer bag, nothing special actually. But it is suede, exactly like I want. Suede bag in the croco print, the animal print. Oh my god. Maybe this tag we have to put behind. I think I like it. Will be really good with any navy colors, but I'm not sure what else. I'm pretty sure that the navy coat, navy trench coat, maybe I will try with the red coat. It is really well made, I really like it. Not sure if that is real leather. Should be, but for some reason I feel it is not a real suede, real leather. Bag, I have to say, it is very trendy because the animal print, because the beige color will be timeless, and I like the size of it because it is large. I can just put even the water bottle inside. It's gonna be okay. So it is very similar to row bag, which is very popular now too. So a top handle, I think it is enough. And I think that whole bag, it is okay. Just I have to check if I can carry this bag on my arm, because I don't want to just hold this bag in my hand all the time. And I love to have bags crossbody or on my arm, just because I love to have my hands free, because I'm usually vlogging. I'm just when I'm going shopping, I cannot hold my bag and just, you know, taking something in my other hand. Just I need two hands. So I think it's gonna be a really nice bag. So let me try with the coat. So we have this bag, and like I said, size, it is really good. I like it. It is okay. Just let me. I don't know. It is big. If we need something bigger, then it is okay. But do I really need this bag? I'm not sure. It's gonna be like hard to match with anything. I really love much more other bags I've got. Maybe with the brown colors, just to brighten up outfit a little bit. So I have to change for the brown, and we will see. You know, some ladies, they're wearing the bag today just like this, and that's nice. That's good for the pictures and everything. Just when you go into your car, you can put your handbag to your car really easy, and that's really fine. But do I like it? It is not like, you know, I love it, oh my god, there is no excitation about this bag, just not at all. So I'm not sure if I want to keep it. Just, you know. Definitely not with my brown colors today, not with the that brown. It is not really good match. I have to change. I will try change for the brown colors, and I will back to you. I changed for my new jacket. I love this jacket so much. Looks like suede, but it is leather, and I love the shoulders. I'm still keeping this jacket just because I really love it. And I got these boots just to match the trousers. Ah, no. Do you know? I think I will send it back. If that could be dark suede brown, not like this camel color. I'm not really sure, because camel, it is very difficult. I have to check with the darker brown jacket, but I've got only one from Santini. Yeah, I think I will send it back. Dark brown suede goes with everything. That's a must-have bag for the autumn. I thought for a second about changing color of this bag for the dark suede, but it's not gonna be easy. Probably this color will just fade or will leave marks to other things. So probably just painting a bag, it isn't a great idea, but I know that some shoemakers, they changing color of the boots or something. Like I saw that someone had Cassaday in the beige color, and they changed it for black. So I said, why? Come on, you can buy black. They could change it for a nice blue color, a nice chocolate brown color, but black already, you can very easy. You can just buy black Cassaday boots. If I could have a second pair of the beige Cassadays, I could give them a color like the nice blue or navy color or chocolate brown color, because I've got my brown color, I've got burgundy, I've got pink, I've got light blue. So because the beige color, it isn't available anymore for sale, so it is really hard to find it. And well, I have to think what to do with this bag. Let me try the dark brown jacket. I want to give a try with the burgundy color and this camel color. And I have to say that still I don't like it. It is not really my vibe of this bag. Like I said, just the dark brown suede could be really good, but this color, maybe just with the brown jacket, it is okay. But with my brown jacket, I love to wear my Gucci bag, let's be honest. I don't really need this bag. I think I will send it back, but I would like to wait for your comments also. Just let me know what you think about this. It is really beautiful. That croco style, I just love so much. You can really easy wear this bag on your arms. You can wear this bag this way. It is something what's telling you inside, just do not buy it, do not buy it. But you know, the last piece left, and this just pushed me to buy, because I thought that, okay, it is last piece, so that's left for me. But it is not a rule. That's nothing, you know, just maybe it will be good for someone else. I hope that I will send it back and someone else will be happy, because I am not. This is it in my video. I know, maybe disappointing, but maybe not for you. Maybe you like it. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this bag? If I should keep it or not really. And well, I have to find better one, I think. So I will be looking for a suede. Just, you know, my first thought was Ferragamo. And I didn't bought it, because I think, oh no, maybe this will be better. And now Ferragamo, it is sold out. And the other that I like, it is sold out too. So, but I hope that I will find a perfect one. So thank you so much once again, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.